Hi, my name is Chelsea Krieg, and I'll be reading my poem Before I Knew What It Meant, Cape Charles, Virginia, for the Virginia Coast Reserve. Before I knew what it meant, Cape Charles, Virginia. In the first chill of November, cattails waver where we step, as catbirds whine above, and we know that here the Virginia coastline is sinking. Ghost forests haunt the marsh with silver skin and roots that surrender to a rush of salt and the weight of every slender body that passes. In the clearing, my mother teaches me how to mourn, to crush wild fennel between thumb and pointer, breathe in its sweet anise. She baptizes each stalk, sea oat, sumac, groundsel, goldenrod. Wasps' nests cling under a nearby bridge like a church organ, and our footsteps are soft as the prayer I whispered as a child. If I die before I wake, I pray the Lord my soul to take, before I knew what it meant. Overhead, crows heave their dark voices like a choir, and we slip along the banks to collect their songs. Scientists call the bobwhite near threatened, and we search for broods under briar thickets and call to them by name. Once I thought I heard a reply, but it is always my mother's voice echoing back to me.